Hello, guys. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Today, I just want to just hit a little bit on the difference between having a live life insurance agent or financial coach versus AI. Now, before I get started, I just want to say April is not saying that you should never use AI. That is not what I'm saying. So let's scratch that, right? So that's not what I'm saying. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started. Now, AI, most of us use AI. We may use it just because we're surfing for something, right? We're surfing to find out some information. Um, we use it, they tell us the definition of something or how something works, right? They even, will you even use it? A lot of people use it for research papers. Okay, so nothing wrong with that, in my opinion. It just depends on how you're using it, right? But when it comes to life insurance and your finances, I think it's very important to have someone hands on that you can confide in. When things happen, you can just pick up the phone and say, "Hey, April, I have X, Y, and Z. Can you help me out?" Now, AI is not going to be able to do that, right? AI, you're going to be typing it in, boom, they're just going to throw out the definition, throw out something at you, right? Then you're going to have to go and talk to someone one on one because they're not going to be that one to walk through with you step by step to get you to where you want to be. So that's when I come in and I'm that one. Even if you reached out to AI and you researched something, then you pick up the phone and you call April and you be like, April, I seen this on the internet. Can you tell me how this works? Yes, I can. I can help you. And if I'm not able to help you, trust me, I do have other colleagues that can help me make sure you're taken care of, right? So again, I didn't say anything was wrong with AI, but I'm saying just to have a personal coach to help walk you through life, um, life challenges, life circumstances, finances, life insurance. Things change, right? For instance, my daughter just recently got married. Okay. She has life insurance. Her fiance had life insurance. Now they're one. So now it's time for them to take the next step and be like, okay, we're one now. Now we need to tweak everything, see if we have enough coverage. What is our house finances? What do they look like? If something happened to the breadwinner, will we be able to sustain? You know, when you have two people to become one, it's time for you to reevaluate your finances overall because you want to make sure you guys are properly protected now that you're one. You have two people, two lives now versus individual, right? You have two lives that just became one. And not only that, they have a child. So now that they have a child and they're looking to eventually have more children, it's time for you to get to thinking, do I have my finances in order? Who can I talk to sit down to walk with me in person so I can visually see what it is that we need or what we're trying to accomplish? So there you have it. The difference in having AI versus having a live agent to help you when those tough times or those life changing circumstances happen. I am April Littlejohn-Pomber. I am with Primerica. I am here to help you properly protect your family and answer those tough questions that you may have. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Look, guys, inbox me, hit me up, check out my uh, website, right? Check out my website. And again, please like, share, and subscribe to my Google. All right, you guys, not my Google, to my YouTube channel. I'm still getting used to it, to my YouTube channel. You guys have an awesome day. Toodles.